Hey you guys, I am back with the DIY project. This is what I'm going to be using. These are staples by the brand called Arrow. This is not a sponsored video. I bought this stuff from Home Depot myself. That's the staple gun. It's by the same company, and the links for these two items will be down in the bottom bar as well as all the others. So yes, this is a room divider that you guys are seeing, and I am going to start off by using some push pins to go ahead and just secure my backdrop on the room divider. I am doing this just so to save myself the trouble of trying to fight with how I want it to be with the staple gun. It prevents from making any mistakes. This room divider and this backdrop, you guys, came from Amazon. If you guys watch my videos, you have seen this backdrop in many of my videos. It was originally on that back wall that y'all see, but I did go ahead and decide to move it and tack it onto here just so I can be more mobile in case I want to move around my studio or anything like that. So I'm just going to continue to tack it down all the way around, and it closes perfectly, you guys, if you can see. So what I'm going to start to do is tack down this with the staple gun. Now y'all see I took out the push pin, and I did mess up the first time. Y'all see one of them sticking out, and the second one was secured. Y'all, it is so difficult to try to go ahead and hold this camera and also film this, being very honest. So what I'm basically doing is each of the panels I'm going by, and I am going ahead to tack down with a staple where I had the push pin. Some of the areas y'all gonna see is I didn't put a push pin. However, I know where I want the staples to be, such as this area right here. There was no push pin, but I'm gonna tack it down with the staples, you guys, and I'm gonna continue to do that all around the front panel where I had those push pins at. So now this is the side panel, you guys. It goes all the way down there. What I'm going to start to do, I'm just going to show you guys, this is the side panel. That's the front I already did. Now I'm going to go ahead and tack down the back portion of the panel. I'm going to start off by first going ahead to secure this area right here. I'm going to put a staple right there. That's so this panel doesn't flap and mess up what I've done already when I go ahead and take out that push pin that y'all see right there. So now that is secured, I'm going to pull out this push pin and show y'all. That's what I'm talking about. I didn't want it to go ahead and just flap away and I have to pull it and stuff like that to go ahead and fix it. So I'm just going to go ahead and fold it over. So I'm doing this just so it won't be flapping away anywhere or just hanging, basically. Not flapping because, you know, it's in the house, so there's no wind. But I'm taking it down so it doesn't just flap and be hanging. So I'm going to put a staple right there at the end to secure that piece right there so it won't go anywhere. And then also, so this one won't be just hanging where it wants to hang, I'm going to go ahead and put a staple there as well. You guys, I'm telling you, trying to film on my own and holding this camera and trying to staple, it was a mission, but I did it for you guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and staple this, and on the bottom panel, I'm going to do that on the other end as well. Fold it over and put a staple in. All right, you guys, this is the finished result of the back panel. I closed it so you guys can see it a little bit better. That's what I'm talking about. I tacked it down on both ends. All right, you guys, this is my finished product here, and I am super excited about it. This can be used for YouTube videos, pictures, or whatever it is. If you want to use it like for pictures though, I would get like a bigger one for, like, if you guys see the bottom part right there, I would get something that goes all the way down at the bottom if you guys are doing pictures, or you just don't really have to. Don't put it so high like I did. You can put it like midway midway there, and then it would reach all the way at the bottom if you're doing it for pictures, like close-up pictures, or you can crop the picture or whatever if you want a full body picture. But this is fine for me in my YouTube videos. Even if I want to take some pictures, I could do this as well. Yeah, I love me some Erykah Badu, so that's why I picked this background, and it's very colorful. It doesn't clash with any of my stuff. But yeah, you guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to thumbs up the video, don't forget to comment, and I will see you guys on my next one. Absolutely love all of you. Bye.